Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to another Locksport update. I hope everyone has been doing really well. And what I'm going to do in just a few moments is share some of the really great updates that have occurred throughout the week. Thank you guys so much for checking out this week's Locksport update. This is such a fun video series to run. And if you happen to be new, thank you so much for stopping by and checking this out. If you'd like to leave a comment in the comment section below, I'd love to meet you and say hi. This is a video series that I started that I post every Saturday that serves as a great place for the community to share any of their updates, and I really love reading through all of them and being able to include them every Saturday. So if you have any updates that you'd like to share, I highly recommend you leave them in the comment section below, and I'd love to include them next week. But I'd like to start off this Locksport update by going over a few changes that YouTube has experienced over the last year. YouTube is always making it more difficult for smaller channels to get started. I have been trying to combat this through doing my Locksport update series and doing my Featured Channel of the Week series. My Featured Channel of the Week series is a series where I feature one channel and really just go through what their channel is all about and try to do a really great video on them. If you'd like to check out any of those, I'll put a link up on the top right here so you can check it out. But what happened last year is YouTube made a policy where it started demonetizing any channel that did not meet their strict requirements. Their requirements were, 1, you need to have 1,000 subscribers, and 2, you need to have 4,000 view hours per year. The views were very easy for people to reach, but the subscribers were not. And one of the channels that got demonetized was russej02. This is the BoardLockPicker's secondary channel, and he does a lot of Locksport stuff on it, and he does a lot of product reviews and just has a lot of fun with it. But on February 21st, 2018, the BoardLockPicker got the email that they were shutting down his monetization, and he would need to wait until he meets requirements. However, he has been trying to continually grow his channel over the past year, and he is finally almost there. At the time of filming this video, I'm excited to announce he is only 10 subscribers away, and he is just almost there. So I highly recommend that you guys check out his channel, and I'll put a link up on the top here and consider subscribing. He's always doing some pretty fun Locksport related videos and just a lot of cool product reviews. I'm going to put up on the screen an example of a lot of the videos that he makes, and you can check him out. But all he needs is 10 and he'll reach 1,000 subscribers. He'll be able to set his channel back up the way it was before and being able to monetize it again. He does not make much on it, but it is just something very helpful to just help pay for his camera equipment and just keeping his fun videos going. So if you guys would like to support him, that would be a really great help. Another thing I'd like to share is, personally for me, I am so excited to be approaching 20,000 subscribers. I just cannot fathom being that close. That is so many people to be watching my videos. I just want to say thank you to everyone that has helped support my channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, clicking the bell, donating through my PayPal links, clicking on my Amazon affiliate links, and just making this such a fun channel to run. I really enjoy interacting with everyone. A few things I got in this week that I'm excited to start out very shortly is I got a set of lever lock picks from Andy Mack. I'm going to do an unboxing of that shortly and being able to share those picks. I am so excited to be able to start working on that. I also bought on eBay a pretty cool disc detainer cutaway lock. I paid a little bit more for it than I wanted, but I think it's going to be pretty cool for me to start using to get better at disc detainer locks. I am still waiting on my silver bullet lock pick set from lockfall.com so I can get started on that. And I also just ordered the Quickset leashy tool. I am so excited to be able to try to pick a lock with that and use the decoding function. If you're not familiar with the leashy tool, it is a tool that precisely shows you where you are in the pen stack, and also once you pick the lock, you can lift up on the key pen and it will tell you exactly what size key pen you need so you can decode the lock without taking the lock apart. Will this be a game changer? I don't know yet, but I cannot wait to get my hands on it. And a few great updates from the community this week is Tennessee Tarantula. Tennessee Tarantula has a YouTube channel, and he's been doing videos for a little while and has a pretty cool channel. However, he recently got into lock sport and he just posted his first video very recently. So what I'd like to do is show you a very quick clip of his channel so you can check him out.
What's up, guys? Tennessee Tarantula is with you here. I'm going to do a little bit different video than what I normally do. I've recently got into lock picking and lock sports. So I'm going to pick my first lock on camera. Then we'll move back to the third one. And she's open.
Thank you so much for checking out Tennessee Tarantula. If you'd like to see more videos by him, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. Another thing I'd like to share this week is there are a few channels that have been growing for a long time. They've been very popular, but they have just not been active over the last few months. And I'm just wondering, has anyone been able to get in contact with either West Coast Picks or Trickmaster30? They both have some really cool channels. West Coast Picks makes some pretty cool challenge lock. Trickmaster makes some really cool challenge locks as well, and some lock picks. And I'm just wondering what they've been up to. West Coast Picks has not posted a video in over 3 months, and Trickmaster30 has not posted a video in under 2 months. I really hope they're all well. They have such cool channels, and they do not need to feel rushed to make any more videos. But I just wanted to mention that they are missed, and I am really excited to see them to come back when they do have time to make some more videos. Another video I'd like to share is Chris Capune made a pretty cool video with a pretty cool idea. In his video number 147, he made a universal tension wrench that he'd like to share. So what I'm going to do is show a very quick clip of that tension wrench right now.
Hi there, Chris here. I am going to do a short, hopefully short, tutorial on the Chris Capune universal tension wrench. And if you notice, you hold this to the top and turn it, and it stays in there. Now it does play, but at this point it's kind of grabbing it, and you do have back and forth play. So I thought, hey, that's really cool. But the really cool part about this is a super wide keyway. This is a narrow keyway. And you know what? It also works with that.
Thank you so much for checking out Chris Capune. If you enjoyed that video and you would like any more information on that tension wrench, feel free to reach out to him. What I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This has been this week's Lock Sport Update. This is just such a fun video series for me to run, and I highly encourage you to share any updates in the comments section below. This is where I get the majority of my info for the updates, and I highly encourage you to share in the comments, and I will greatly appreciate it, and I'll try to get out the updates next week. I am so excited to see the community growing. I'm so excited to be approaching 20,000 subscribers. I just want to say that this is such a fun community to be a part of, and if anyone is new, I highly recommend that you get involved. Everyone is so nice and everyone is so welcoming, and this is just such a great place to be. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out.